I literally missed half of that alert because my phone decided to be goofy.
I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 59. You are listening to NOAA weather.
Yes! Yes!
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, York, Lancaster, Vannsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Pleasantville, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, and Harbor Hills. This includes I-70 in Ohio between
Bro, nothing's loud.
104 and 135.
I think that's on.
You are listening to
Yes.
the weather. Has issued a severe
Charleston.
thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County until 5:41 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baltimore or near Pickerington, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
I don't even have time to turn my phone
Intact,
vertical.
expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
This thing
include
failed again.
Somerset, Thornville, and Glenford. Here is a special The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lewis County, Adams County in south-central Ohio, western Pike County in south-central Ohio, southeastern Highland County in south-central Ohio, western Scioto County in south-central Ohio, southwestern Ross County in south-central Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
I think this is tornado
7
possible.
miles west of Belfast and Manchester, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include West Union, Peebles, Vannsburg, Marshall, Seaman, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Rome, Belfast, Rocky Ford Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, Emerald, Blue Creek, Lardon, Sinking Spring, Otway, Concord, and Duncansville.
I don't think it's tornado possible.
Now here is the official National Weather Service.
That's one. That's 240. Where's my marker? Oh.
Tonight, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the
All right. Let's go. Yes, tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Adams County in south-central Ohio, northwestern Pike County in south-central Ohio, southeastern Highland County in south-central Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Peebles, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Might be a
Tree
double header,
damage is
to be
likely.
honest.
Locations impacted include Piketon, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Sinking Spring, Poplar Grove, Elm Grove, Smoky Corners, Lake White, Idaho, and Buchanan. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service.
My phone
At
keeps
6:24
beeping.
p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cantoo Springs to 6 miles west of Letitia, moving east at 35 miles an hour.
The radio.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Wheelersburg, Waverly, New Boston, Piketon, South Webster, Rosemount, Clarktown, Lucasville, Franklin Furnace, Sciotadale, Beaver, Wakefield, Pike County Airport, Minford, Omega, Gibbons, Friendship, McDermott, and Bear Creek. Now here is the official National
Gotta
Weather
go.
Service.